What's up YouTube and DorkiDori fans, it's London Midnight, making an update video for the V1H bumper, along with a couple of updates. So, over the last month since I got the urethane lips back in stock, there have been a few problems, and all of those lips that I have left are going back to my urethane manufacturer for a disposal because I can't sell them to you guys. I can't in good conscience let what they made me go out into the public. Those of you who received your lips from the pre-orders, everything should be good. Basically, all the lips that went out for the pre-orders didn't have any issues. I made sure of that. The lips that I had for stock, they just don't cut it. So they're going back, and I'm not quite sure when I'll have more restock due to current happenings in the world with supply chain and raw materials. Right now, everyone's suffering from it, which leads me to my next point. Unfortunately, as of April 1st, all of my parts prices are going up. I don't know how much yet. My fiberglass shop hasn't let me know. My urethane shop is being kind of flaky on the subject. I will have more information by the end of the month. There are things in play right now to make sure urethane parts get produced correctly in the future. I'm sorting a bunch of things out this week. It's very stressful, and my mind is a total cluster F. I can't say that on YouTube because I'll get in trouble. So anywho, I finished up the version 1 hatch bumper yesterday. I finished with a prototype of it. Mold lines are being traced this week. I'm hoping to have this thing up on the site within the next 2 weeks. It turned out great. Like, I'm really happy with how it turned out. I think you guys are going to be really stoked when you see this in person. This is going to open up the ability to offer the full Type X kit on my website. I still have to do the front lip in fiberglass because I simply can't offer the urethane lip with the fiberglass bumper due to stock issues, thingies, stuff. The front bumper will be offered with a fiberglass front lip option. My fiberglass lip won't be like what's on the market. It won't explode when you look at it wrong. I'm anticipating my fiberglass lip will be in line with the OEM ABS plastic lip in terms of durability, but those things weren't super durable, hence why they don't exist anymore. But I think mine will flex a lot more because it's not dead stuff. Anyway, I'm exhausted. I'm heading toward burnout, so after this V1H bumper goes up on the website, I'm probably going to take a couple weekends off because I need to rest. I'm beat. So here's the video for me finishing up the bumper, and I hope you guys dig what I'm creating. I still got 2 other bumpers left to do. I'm going to try and have those done by the end of April. I'm really excited for both of them. They're going to turn out so freaking cool, and that will open up a lot more kits on my website for the S13 hatch. Some of you have been asking me, like, what am I doing with the S13 Sylvia bumpers? I have to buy an S13 coupe front end for my car to make those things happen, so they're going to take a little while. And with everything that's going on right now, I'm not sure how long it's going to take. I've got like 3 urethane lips I want to bring out, and no, I don't have the pig nose lip in working. Sorry guys, that's a project all in itself. I'll get into when I actually start the project. But I've got 3 urethane lips that I want to bring out, and I have to get those done before I get into the Sylvia front bumpers because I need the funds to do so, and the lips will provide the funds, and it's all business stuff, yada yada yada, blah blah blah. So anyway, here's the video for the V1H bumper. Like, share, subscribe, comment, do all that stuff, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Please don't hit any walls and be safe. Okay, bye!